What's up, guys? It's Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. We are in West Jordan checking out a model home built by Holmes Homes in the Oquirrh Valley West community. So it's nice and decorated and furnished, giving you that inspiration on what your home could look like if you were to get this model or to build with Holmes Homes. Guys, if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing real estate in the state of Utah, make sure to reach out, give me a call or text. Don't hesitate to reach out. I have people calling from all over the country. I've had people clear on the east and the west reaching out to me, wanting to buy homes out here in Utah. They are building like crazy. People are moving here like crazy. So I want to provide that value for you by also having you come back to the channel and check out the other videos on the channel. So we're going to be covering more home tours, keeping you updated on what new construction projects are being built out here, and giving you advice on living here and just information you need to know so you are not in the dark when you decide to make a move out here. So once again, don't hesitate to reach out. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our tour. I'll see you at the end. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's get into this brand new tour built by Holmes Homes in West Jordan, Utah. So this home built by Holmes Homes, I am getting sick of saying that word, is in the Oquirrh Valley West community. This is known as the Butterfield. So it's a nice decorated and furnished model home. You won't have to do so much of your own imagination. You get to see what it's like on the inside. 3 beds, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,788 square feet. And this is really perfect as a single family starter. 3 beds and 2.5 baths is kind of perfect for when families are getting into their first single family home. You might be moving up from a townhome or getting your first home in general, getting out of renting. 3 beds and 2 baths is the perfect place to start. And this is what it could look like on the inside of your first single family home. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, there you have it. Holmes Homes model home here in West Jordan, Oquirrh Valley West. Guys, if you are interested in getting out of that townhome, getting in your first home, stopping renting, or just upgrading from your first home, give me a call or text. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're gonna talk about how we can save you money by getting you into your next home. This is a time for buyers to take advantage. Buyers are sitting on the side of the market. They're waiting for rates to come down. That's when they're gonna flood the market, when the rates are down. Prices are gonna go up again. We're gonna make sure you take advantage so it's the best deal possible for you. And so we take advantage of this amazing asset known as real estate. One of the biggest decisions you'll make in your life. I'd like to be there for you and to help you out and to capitalize on that. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in building, if it's with Holmes Homes, there's tons of other new construction projects going on in the Salt Lake Valley, Utah in general. Population's exploding. Make sure you get in contact with me. Like I said, don't hesitate to reach out. People all over the country are reaching out to get help with the process with buying their home here in Utah. So buying, selling, investing, relocating, we do it all here. And then come back to the channel for more tours, more information about living here. We'll see you guys. I'm done. See you guys in the next video.